I mean, this is where I look like net. Just so far, there's nothing we could do. I'm live streaming my shit right now. So I'm gonna just do a little quick review, right? I expect price to keep going, right? To probably go to this level right here, right? Because we've been
Wait,
going
I
up.
can't see your screen.
All right, let me do this review. So I expect price to keep going up, right? You see, so we basically hit this fair value I'm like anticipating right now.
Okay, gotcha.
So I'm gonna try to look for like longs, and this is perfect, right? We open, we drop low. That's exactly what you want to see, right? When you anticipate you want price to go higher, right? You want to see price drop lower first to what? To take to either manipulate, which we did. We took out these lows to see I had this liquidity out, and to like I said, manipulation. That's essentially what it's doing. We're waiting for price to manipulate the other side before I'm going higher. So this is perfectly fine. Now we wait, right? We wait for the first fair value gap to be printed. So we get this news. We check that. It's 9:30. We check that. And now we wait for the first fair value gap to get printed. And like we said, we're favoring buys right now. At least I'm favoring buys right now. And I'm gonna see maybe we could close above this right here. And if we could close above it, then right here we'll also create the first fair value gap all at the same time.
I see.
And never mind, now that can't be the first fair value gap because we came over here and touched it. So now we just keep waiting a little bit more. Because hopefully it doesn't. I'm looking for this high. Hopefully we don't just all in one shot take out the high. It doesn't give us no entry. I mean, the worst. I mean, not worse. I mean, at least we know right in where price wants to go. But if one with entry, hopefully get a nice little fair value that we enter on. Make sure all my stuff is good.
Damn. Stop.
Hopefully we did nothing yet. If we hit this, so this is a fair value gap mixed with on this level is called a weekly opening gap as well. So it's two different levels mixed in one. So that's what we're seeing, like kind of like strong here, come here, bounce back, come here, small bounce back. Not a complete flip and like market. And once you close above here, the price here will have a really significant chance of coming above here. But I do want the daily fair value gap. I mean, first fair value gap after 9:30 to get printed. So I can at least be aligned with price. One more two out. Definitely nothing. Nothing yet. Nothing to do. No fair value. No first fair value yet. So there's nothing to do whatsoever right now. So just wait. All right. Now we can try to see if we get an entry in there, but price doesn't go too far. 14, 30. This is low-key that I want to see. I don't like how it worked. At least give us a little body. I want to price at least give us a little body. It's kind of tough a little bit. Alright, so you guys just wait again. Nothing to do right now. You guys just wait. It's going straight to voicemail. Look, price is just chopping around right now, back and forth. Still hasn't really closed above here. Still no first fair value gap just yet. So
Yeah, I was looking for that specifically.
no,
Yeah.
it's a three. Basically, it would take 3 minutes for it to form because you need three different candles, three different 1 minute candles, and then like I said, there's no fair value. I mean, this is a fair value gap right here, but this is before 9:30. So this is the one after 9:30, which is the 9:30 is like right. What's this candle? It's this right here. This candle right here, 9:30. Which one is this one, right? This red one. Nothing has been created after that time, so we just there's nothing to do. We just wait and be patient.
Let's see.
But I do look price. I'm pretty sure price wants to come to this Sunday. Yeah, I could just tell. The price is just like it's eagering, like to like trying to come up. Also, there's also news at 10 o'clock, so I don't know if price is gonna be chopping around until then, but we'll see though.
Yeah, let's see.
Shit, I have So we're getting held off really well off this level. See if we can finally break off from it. Hopefully we break off it while giving me an entry, but I don't want to see prices come here all in one shot. I get nothing. I can't get in. See, look at the bodies. God damn, the body is really respecting this level.
Looking like a barcode right now.
Yeah. There's also Monday too. Monday a lot of times is slow, but sometimes Monday on non-farm payroll week, that's when usually Monday would sometimes be actually decent. That's why I'm trading it. Monday non-farm payroll week is actually pretty decent. So for right now, it's just just consolidating right now.
Yeah. Fuck.
This Loki could actually be an issue right now. Oh fuck, might be too late.
Oh no.
Yeah,
Oh no.
this could Loki. I was just about to say could be an entry right here. I was just about to say that. So
Oh, that shit just shot up.
yeah, I'm gonna get an entry. But I mean, I could let's see how we close. Because there's still more liquidity on the. There's still more depth here. So I don't know. Depending on what happens, I might just close out prices and I'm done. Already did exactly what I wanted it to do. It just I couldn't get an entry. Right, this looks like the first fair value gap right here. That is printed right now. Actually, hold on. We actually need a few seconds. Actually, like 30 seconds. But then it should be printed. But it looks like it's gonna get printed on this candle. Actually, I can't lie. If it does, I'll try it out. Take a little buy. So, I mean, a buy on trade. All right. So that is the first fair value gap. Now we wait for prices to come back into it. Some liquidity actually. Okay.
Order submitted.
I gotta buy.
Oh, you got it?
No, it's a limit. So if price comes down and hits here, I'll automatically get in.
Okay.
So it's called a limit. So still, like I see, there's more liquidity over here. Yeah, I'll try here too. If we could just drop underneath here, I'll try actually. I have a wider stop, but it's alright. We'll get a wider stop to get here. We got this fair value gap and this. We got two clean fair value gaps. I just want the price could just peek the head of one of them. Just peek it. Peek it like on COD. You know what I mean? Get that headshot.
But
Mm-hmm. Can you just get it? No, okay. Nothing, 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 nothing. The entries is right here and here. So I don't want to chase price because you could buy right now, but you would be chasing it. You feel me? And I don't want to chase it.
Yeah.
Because if you buy here, what happens if price will chases here? Then you're gonna be in a bit. You know what I mean? Like even though technically you'd still be right in the trade, there's gonna be a lot of drawdown that's gonna be in your trade, which you can avoid just by waiting it out. But at the same time, price could also just run up and never like give us an entry at all, depending how strong price is today.
We're 10 minutes away, or 9 actually, from
Yeah, there's gonna
the
be some
news,
yeah, so you know, yeah.
so might have to wait till then.
No, I mean, if it comes here, I'll still get in. I still get in. My stop is gonna be a little wider than if it would have been then here. Close proximity to the fair value gap.
Or order
Mm,
submitted.
Oh,
alright. Trying to
oh.
just match up my stop. Alright, 94.74. I mean 90.70. Alright, so everything's good. Everything's good to go. We take one off. Take out this idea.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Boom, took profit, already made money. Just like that, John. Just like
that's
that.
that's tough.
Alright. Now we want to see if we could hit this target price right here. Which I'm gonna move my take profit higher because the only reason I'm saying because we're so bullish right now. Plus on top of that, the news is gonna come out. So hopefully the news could like push price even higher. Honestly, up to I mean maybe I don't know if we're gonna go all the way to here. No way. You see, I put this
Yeah.
exactly at the. I didn't even realize. I just tossed it up. I got the magic touch. I mean, hopefully that's the one thing. Hopefully we don't come out and take this out before 10. That's another thing too. 'Cause it can't like technically it could come back here, right? Actually, let me show you. And still be fine to go up. Like there's actually no problem. I just don't want to endure anymore. I just don't want to be what's the word I'm looking for? I just don't want to have any drawdown at all. Like for me, once I make money, I don't give a damn what the market structure is telling me, bro. I'm locking in my profits, bro. I don't give a damn what the market is. Oh, it could possibly go. You know what I mean? Like I make my money, I make my money, man. See, like it can go down. Actually, it can. It's actually pretty close. Like I said, it could, like I said, it could just go down perfectly fine and still go back up. I just don't want to be a part of it. You feel what I mean? Like made some money, took it out a little bit. I'm done. Hopefully, bro. Hopefully, COMPENSATED stay in price, bro. Hopefully, come on, price. Just barcode above the fair value gap price. Just do that. Do that. 1 minute and 2 minutes and 15 seconds left. This. Let's see. Twenty seconds left. So far, we're still in price. Like even if it takes me out at 10, I just low key just want to be in at 10. That's low key. I have a strong feeling price could like get another push up at 10. So even if I get stopped out at 10, I'll be fine. I just hopefully I could stay in at 10 without price taking my stop out. Okay, 1 more minute. 1 minute price. Come on. Come on. Just get away from the fair value gap. Get away from it. Like 30 seconds. Come on. 15, 13. Here we go. It's 10.
Yep.
Now we're going to see some volatility right now. We're going to see price push to go higher. We're going to move this up to lock in more profit. There we go. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Come on.
Yep.
There's a liquidity level right up here. See, price wants to tag that.
Manipulation.
It's okay. It's okay. The price already came up, and like I said, I'm fine. I just wanted just to see, if price could go
Order
higher,
canceled.
and just stop that in profit. So take it.
Order filled.
That. All right. Just yeah. Let me done for today. Pretty good, accurate price reading. My main entry I really, really wanted was this. But I could there was no entry and it moved so quickly away. So we got the next best thing, which was right here. You see? Price tagged it right here once. Trying to see maybe it could come up into here, but it's all right. We made our money for the day, and that's about it.
Yup.
Like I said, price could actually still come here and then go up higher. Like I said, I just don't want to be no parts of that, bro. You feel me? I don't want to be no parts of that. I just want to make my money, and once I make my money, I literally move my stop above where I entered, so I literally cannot lose money. I don't like risking money once I made money. You see, and John,
Yeah.
also I got a little notepad for my daily habits, John. So every time right now I'm gonna make it 4 days in a row. I'm following my rules, John. Like that's what I'm trying to just make my rules equal success, not the money. Because the money, like I said, the money will be by default. If I follow my rules, I'm going to make money in the long term. So as long as I follow my rules, then I call even if I lose that trade, right? But as long as I follow my rules, that's a W in my book. You know what I mean?
I understand. Instead of chasing price, your
Yeah, I'm
rules are meant
chasing
to
my
attract
rules.
it.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, so even if, like say today, right, I did exactly what I did and I took a loss. It's still a W, you feel me? Because I followed my rules.
Yeah. I understand that factor.
Yeah. And also one more thing, I have a program, it's actually a part of my rules as well that it's called Cold Turkey. I don't know if you heard of it.
I have not.